Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes White in the Storm Warning Center. Hope you've had a great Sunday out there. Big change in those temperatures. Yesterday, some of us staying in the 70s all day. Today, we had highs in the 80s. Well, let me go ahead and show you here. The hot spot, Centerville, 91 degrees. A huge change from yesterday. But I will tell you this, those 90s, this may be one of the last days we see 90s on the map. We've got some shots of really cool weather on the way for us. It looks like fall is certainly setting in across the country. Let me show you, though, there are just a couple of showers here around Ashland. You know, yesterday, the Futurecast, we were seeing maybe a little bit of development here to the east today, and looks like our data kind of pinpointed that, and most of the area remaining dry. So we don't expect any problems this evening for the most part, and the weather is going to be a bit milder tonight. Went with a low right around 68 in Birmingham. We'll have 60s to the north, low 70s to the south, but a very pleasant, comfy start to our Monday tomorrow morning. Perhaps some morning clouds, but then the sun breaks out, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms possible area-wide tomorrow. We got another cool front. This is that next blast of fall air that's on the way. It's going to be moving southward, so out ahead of this front, showers and storms late tomorrow night, and even early on Tuesday, a few showers before the cooler and drier air settles in. So that's going to be one of the big stories in the short term, and you'll see right here on the forecast we're showing dry to start the day, so grab the umbrella before you head out. And then into the afternoon we see the development. Jasper, Coleman, maybe by 4 o'clock some development, and this would suggest one of our greatest potentials would be over eastern sections around 7 o'clock over towards Ashland, maybe around Springville and places like that, and then the showers and storms diminish into tomorrow night. So a good chance for scattered showers and storms tomorrow afternoon and into early on Tuesday, but after that it's looking dry. We're looking at another system around the 22nd and 23rd of the month that could bring some stormy activity followed by some cold weather. So we'll talk a lot more about this coming up on the news tonight in your 7-day forecast. And something else we'll check in on is Hurricane Edward. This system developed into a hurricane today. It's out over the Atlantic, though. The nearest landmass is, well, Bermuda, and you can see little old Bermuda out here in the Atlantic, so this is still far away from this hurricane. In fact, the hurricane's expected to make a turn towards the north. You see the track there, and it's going to be passing well to the east of Bermuda, and it's going to pick up speed as it moves north. Now the data suggests, though, this could become a Category 3 hurricane, but that system's going to stay well away from us and no major threat at the moment. It's a peak of hurricane season, but that's all we see there. A couple of systems out in the Pacific as well. I've got your 7-day forecast. Beginning at 9 o'clock on Fox 6, we'll be talking about the weather tonight. We'll get you updated and ready for the new week. Be sure to join us. I'm meteorologist Wes Wyatt. Have a great evening.